Well, good morning. It is Saturday, and the rain has stopped for a little bit, but we're supposed to get a bunch of rain this afternoon, so I'm going to do a little bit of cooking this morning to prep for the next couple of days. We went to the grocery store yesterday, so I'm going to throw some bacon on the grill so that we've got breakfast sandwich stuff for the next week, and then we're going to run some errands in town today and just have a normal type of Saturday.
Rumbling, coffee in hand, had a plan, yeah. This was the plan.
Oh shit, what?
To the story, winging it naturally. A little bit of chaos, a little bit of wait and see if it all goes sideways, yeah.
Good girl.
That's where we shine. Oh yeah, so buckle up, hang on. You're riding this ride with me.
Well, here I am on the ladder. You know, I'm getting better with these heights in this ladder, but every time I do it, and I haven't done it in a while, I always got to kind of make sure I really need to do this, I guess. Today, I got to get up on the roof. There's one of the gutters is got a seam where the two gutter sides meet, and with the really hard rain we're getting, it's coming down through that seam, and unfortunately it's right over where the slide is that we can't put out, and so it's putting water down there. We're not having any leaks, but I just really want to see if I can't fix the seam, so I got some clear sealant. I'm going to hopefully get up there. The challenge is going to be I've got two solar panels right by that edge that it's going to be really hard to get over. The other thing is that I'm noticing that even when we're getting those big gully washers, all the water's coming off this way, the front of the rig. It's not coming out the back, and so that probably means that there's something caught in the gutter. So I got to get up and look at that. We're going to get another set of storms tonight. So despite the fact it's hot and bright out here, I'm going to get up on the roof and inspect it. While I'm up here, a while back I had one of these come off, and I went and got some rubber cement I got some JB Weld rubber compound, and I put that on, and so far that has seemed to work pretty good. So that is staying on, and the reason that it's there is I don't necessarily think it's to keep water from coming in, but you see that on this side there are a couple of screws that potentially poke through, and I think that this is there to keep the screws from sticking through and cutting into this, I think. Okay, well, look at what the gunny did for me. That is really, really sticking. There is no doubt that that is sealed down. Wow. He did a heck of a job up here. Just look at that. Okay, so I think I'm done. I found one or two leaves over in that corner. I'm not sure that they were enough to block the water, but we'll give it a shot, and I'll try and remember when I come out here when it's raining in a little bit to check to see if now I've got water going that direction on all four corners. Gunny did a really great job up here. Just you know, I feel really good about what he did. I've double checked a couple of other spots. I need to get some Dicor for doing some of these repairs myself, but the water sealant, the indoor-outdoor clear caulk that I have should be okay. And then when I go to pull the four corners off and redo them, I'll use Dicor on it. So all in all, another task done for this month. I like getting up here. I probably don't need to do it as much as what I'm doing it, but I'm trying to do it at least once a month to get up here, especially when we're moving, so that I can check the roof and make sure that there's no damage up here. But things look good for now, so on to the next task. And I am not going to show you me getting down because just no one wants to see that. Daisy. Daisy, sit. She doesn't really have a place to sit.
Daisy, sit.
Ada, scooch. There you go. Daisy, sit. Good girls. Ah.
Bleiben.
Sit. Wait. Lauf. Sit. Daisy, sit. Gute Hunden. Daisy, sit. Gute Hunden.
Hi there. So today is a pretty much, normal RV Saturday for a lot of RVers. So what did we do? So the girls are actually clean. Yay! They got puppy baths at Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply is great because they have puppy wash stations. It is Saturday, so it was crazy. The vet was at Tractor Supply for immunization day, so that was going on. So where are we now? So the next place that most RVers end up going on a Saturday? Walmart. So yay.
Well, Daisy's been traumatized. Ada was a good girl, and they both smell a lot cleaner.
I think Miss Daisy was very good today. Like, I have videos of her being a very good girl for you. Trauma or no trauma.
Yep, she's good. Tractor Supply, very, very busy.
Yeah.
They had a vet clinic there today, and they had people lined up all over for shots and things like that. Ada did okay, coming in and out.
Yeah, she only took exception to the one dog,
right.
The one lady who had 4 dogs. And in Ada's defense, none of those dogs were under control. The lady could not handle them. I mean, I'm sure she loves her dogs, but she's not really healthy enough to handle them, to be honest with you.
I wonder if Ada's kind of on that ADHD spectrum where she just is trying to correct.
Hey!
Well, you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing.
Yeah, she's not that well behaved to know what she's supposed to be doing.
Well.
And you can tell, like, Miss Daisy back here, you cute Daisy, she's just tired and wants everyone to leave her alone right now because
It's nap time.
It's nap time. But she had her first daddy bath today at Tractor Supply.
Yep. I got another shower.
Yeah. Ada also got a bath. Matt got a bath. Somehow I just had to blow Ada off, which use the blow dryer and get most of the water off of her. Matt actually washed both the girls because I couldn't get Daisy up into the tub because the little ramp was broken.
Boy,
But-
was it.
What?
Boy, was it.
Yeah, I'm so glad that Ada did not try to. He also had to pick Ada up. She would not get up on the ramp. And then when I tried to get Daisy up, the whole ramp kind of collapsed. And I was like, oh, that would not have been good with Ada.
No. So we've been to Tractor Supply, got dog baths, went to Walmart, had a normal Walmart shopping experience on a Saturday, but I will say that we have been shopping 4 or 5 different grocery stores, I think, now, and had a really hard time finding produce. And the Walmart, and we just thought it was the local area that we're in, and the Walmart produce was nice and normal. So we may have to go back there for produce, but
Yeah, it's a complete zoo, but now we know why it's a complete zoo. At least they have nice produce.
So far, halfway done with our chores, and we're running late. So I think this will be it for the video today. another week. We find out on Monday what.
Well, he's hoping we find out on Monday.
We're hoping we find out on Monday, or I know that we are going to find out on Monday a status update as to where we're at. Don't know that they'll have any news to provide status on, but we're expecting to get some status from Bish's on where the parts and orders are at. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
I've been so many places, I've seen them all with open eyes. Seen islands, open spaces, Serengeti sun slowly rise. All these memories, I hold them near me when I sail the Aegean Sea. But there's one place for me